Next.
Wait.
What?
My brother.
Who's your brother?
Sorry, my friend.
Who is your friend?
Who you be now? Who you be to me?
Go back to her if you don't know your senior.
Okay, my angel.
Who?
Okay, angel. Who are you?
What is my you say angel?
I would quarrel. What information I bring come for you, my brother?
What is it?
Yeah, see, you know say
who is your brother?
Okay, angel. You know say this in Nigeria don't worst.
What happened?
Everything don't worst for Nigeria. Now say now I get one picture wey dey trend for my Instagram page. Now, see breeze blow road comot for road enter bush. You never see am?
Oh. You mean this picture?
My brother.
When?
Can you imagine? How breeze go blow road comot for road face bush see am.
You know say Ministry of Work for the country, I don't understand if they are working or they are not working.
Not be say if they are working, minister you talk. Commissioner of Works for Nigeria not get work. It's jobless.
I dey hear say even Ministry of Work, they wan go work one road, they no see road take go the road.
That one you talk. The man, no road, no good road leading to his house.
For that country, I don't understand. Every day they get into a different problem. I was told that they've even increased their DSTV tariff.
But that one you talk, DSTV, yeah, they talk small. DSTV na for selected few now. Fuel. They increase am.
Leave that country. They need.
Let me.
Hey, what is it? Hey, stand well.
You?
Ato and Bo, stand well. What is it?
Not be this DJ. This DJ want carry make up play for my birthday. He not gree come. I no see am. As he come finish.
DJ, what happened?
No mind this man o. Dey look am, not be me the judges. Dey look am. I because say na you talk. I go slap you o. Dey look am. No mind this man. He give money say ma come play for him birthday. And before that day when he give me money ma play for him birthday, he club one for the play in the area. Na club now for the play music. I come dey play, I dey shut down, hype man dey busy dey work. Club one almost finish, now go play one song. So boys rough, I don't know. Which song? Which say you play one? Which song? Boys rough, I don't know. Which song you play now? You say.
Are you the one judging?
Okay, no vex. Wetin dey pay me be say the song name I no fit call am. Because wetin dey pay me be say when they dey run follow me, I dey cry, they dey tell me fem. I dey cry, they dey tell me fem. I say.
Who sing the song?
Na Davido sing am. Okay, na
that song when they beat those two boys na when you call your king.
Hey! Even if I be devil, I no get devilish mind. I no get. You understand? Those boys wey dey bleed they get badly injured. I know people dey on fire. They I give them first aid. You understand? They are cooling. That's make the
but these people when they beat una so they don't know say they don't know wetin na dey dance to or na dey play.
No. Wetin even pay me? My instrument, I no say anything carry comot for that club. Now they just collect money for cooperative for me. Say ma go buy one speaker. They come in, ma go play for them. Oh.
What is the name of the song again?
Na FEM. I no fit measure am. But when they beat me, they tell me fem. Now they talk. They call it tell me fem. Okay, when they beat you, they tell you fem. I shut up. Wait. Not be the fem. Not be the FEM so. Now you don't fit talk. What is there when you don't fit talk? Okay. Let me they beat them. That goes I not talk am. Oh, thank you Jesus. I not talk am. True to God. Hey, they not kill you. Sorry, they not.
Young man, are you thinking what you are saying? Will you stand up and go to her?
That's what you do now. This one will still see me finish.
You, since you know that they are beating people in your area because of the music, why do you want him to come and play again in your area?
He no explain give me like that now.
How she explain give me say something I put on my speaker you at least that time you no suppose collect balance, you no suppose talk, you talk say I no fit talk.
Why you collect balance or why you collect advance?
Na man for fit pay for the one speaker.
Then you, since you collect advance, it's either you are giving the advance back or you play for the party.
And because
have you done the party?
The party don finish, you know.
Then you give him money back.
Angel, na because of the firm I make and invite
no, me no see get godly mind get godly mind. Devilish mind no dey pay, you understand? Devil no get good thing wey dey do for people, you understand? This life na God dey save him children, you get? So get godly mind, you understand? Bible say the heart of the king is in the hand of the Lord, you understand? So let your heart so may take God hand, make God feel say God, Bible say God turneth it to wheresoever that pleases him, you understand? You understand me now?
These days you now preach Bible, I don't understand what is it.
Did they worry this man? Sorry. Wetin dey talk? Bible wey we write, now we inspire people we write am now.
But where are you now?
Na pride, na just small pride. I'll still beg God. Na because me and him never see, me and God never see. Don't tey.
That time when you go tell am say you wan turn Job, na no see.
No, na him call me. Since that time he dey avoid me.
So two of you, it looked like both of you were naive.
Yes, they be very naive. No. They be Adam. They are men. Adam.
No, you don't understand English. I mean, they did not know where they were. They did not know what was happening. They never knew what was going to happen.
Okay, let me naive.
Yes.
Okay, naive.
So you go back to it. You pay him his advance. And stop playing music you don't understand. Because I was told that song was written to Z Burna Boy abi who.
I don't know all this kind of information. I know the like gather. No, you know where they get your information.
But Angel, what is firm?
Wow, what is firm? And they defend you won't put them for trouble. If they beat them now, you go dead there.
Beat who? Beat who?
No, if people will beat him, scatter him things, come beat you now. Can you help him out?
Beat who now?
No, I mean they see you pass from here. Look, I don't see you. You won't put me for trouble.
It's enough. Go back to it. If you reach there, people that dealt with you before, go and ask them the meaning of fame. Can you leave my sight?
Leave him here. Leave him. Rubbish. But you know say these people wey dey
fame.
You too fame. Rubbish.